Greetings, programmers. All right, let's continue with our 8 queens solution here. We still don't have any of our own real output. We're just outputting hello world for right now. And something I think we're going to need is a chessboard for most of this. So let's work on building a chessboard and then being able to print that out. And that will help us, I think, as we build the rest of these methods. And keep in mind that our focus is not really to solve this 8 queens problem. It is really to explore methods. And in particular, we want to see the impact of using functions in our programs. And hopefully, when we get done with this, you'll also be able to use functions as a part of your own planning process. So let's build a board. We're going to need a place to keep it. Let's create a private variable, two-dimensional array, and let's just call this chessboard. All right. So now, to build a board, let's start with building a blank board, right? So we can create a method for that. Let's leave our public methods up there. No, let's make our public methods last. We'll do our private method. Build blank board. So it won't return anything. The only thing this is going to do is it's going to put in this two-dimensional array an empty chessboard. And how do we want to do this? Let's do it. Let's represent those with an underscore, a blank space on a chessboard with an underscore. I have some of that pre-typed out here. And just to make it more obvious what this two-dimensional array is doing, let's write it like this. So we see 8 rows, and within each row there are 8 underscores. So we have an 8 by 8, so that'll go from, this will be row 0 to row 7, and then element 0 to element 7 within each one. Right, so now we can build a blank board. This is a blank board. So for right now, build board. Let's just have it build a blank board. Oh, I got a spelling error. Let's get that fixed. And make sure this still runs. So I'll copy it. Oh no. So I introduced an error. Oh, I have to say chessboard equals, right? There we go. Yep, glad I'm finding these bugs early. So now I am building a board, but all I'm still getting back is hello world. So let's print this, right? That's gonna be helpful for us. And usually the way we walk through a two-dimensional array is with nested for loops. So let's do that same thing. You know what? And to save a little bit of time, I'm going to copy some code here and paste it, and this needs to be chessboard. All right, so we have 2 nested loops, for loops, an I and a J, so this can be our rows and our columns. So we're going to write what is ever in location IJ, and then at the end of 8 elements, we'll do a write line to take us to the next line, and we'll go to the next row. So now I should be able to, well, let's just comment this out for right now. This should, I'm expecting that this will print an empty chessboard. And that's what it is. So 8 columns, 8 rows, and just empty chessboards. And that's enough for this section. Let's continue on in the next video.